Got the coffee, got the trailer, got the truck. Heading out to town. We're gonna go get some excavator buckets, do some welding. Yeah, here are the buckets here. Check them out. I think they're pretty worn out. Yeah, that's definitely not supposed to be round like that. And these are supposed to be straight. Go start the skid steer here. There's the old girl. Okay, they're all chained down here. Should be good to go now. Let's hit the road. I know you'll probably all give me heck for doing that crap there, but we don't have capacity skills right now, so whatever. They're not that big. I mean, that's only a 60-inch, so yeah. But we'll get some welding done up on this, fix up those faces, fix up these teeth adapters, put on some new shanks, new cutting edges. Yeah, wear plates, maybe some chalky bars if we get them. And away we go. Yeah, if you guys want to just subscribe and keep up to date, we're gonna get lots more work done here on these buckets and restoring the hoe. So yeah, enjoy.